What's going on, y'all? It's Marcel Benson, investor and entrepreneur. You know what time it is. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Show this video love. Let's try to get the 50 likes on this. I'm on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can keep giving y'all this anti-gatekeeping game, right? Everybody on the internet, they're trying to roll you into a $20 zillion package. I'm telling you everything you need to know about trading right here. In the group, we are showing you everything you need to know about trading, and there's a community of people that love you right there along the way with you. All right, look, I'm going to start this video about shouting out the people that hit some bangers in the group today. Look, shout out to Jim, right? Shout out to Shali. That's the silent shooter right there. Shout out to Keita, right? Shout out to Marley, right? Shout out to Quentin. So many more that I can't even go on, right? But I'm gonna start personally showing you guys what's going on in these individuals' lives. But that's something for a little bit later. But I just wanted to give them some love and let them know that I see them, right? They took some major bangers in the group today. Today we went I think 5 for 5 today. Somebody comment in the comments how what we went today. 5 for 5. Either way, every single day we are making money and we are making you money, right? This is the part that I'm not gonna lie. I gotta get on my soapbox for a second, right? Me and my boy Zay started this group. We had the idea in mind, like, all right, we want to trade. We started tossing our ideas around and stuff like that. We was like, you know what? Let's just do this together. We were trying to do things like individually at first. It was like, let's just do this together. Like the energy between us, it's like we can give them so much that it's no way that they won't be successful. And y'all took a chance on us, right? We started out with no members, right? And we've organically grown. Like, just look at this right here. Because of y'all, and to see that just 1 month into this, just 1 month in, y'all are consistently making bread. Like, I can't, listen, I'm not even a super emotional. All right, maybe I'm a little emotional. I don't know. I'm not super emotional. Or maybe I am. But I'm not going to lie, like this, it really means a lot to see y'all making money. I remember when I first started, right, just like by myself, nobody to really turn to, nobody to really talk to it about, nobody that was really comfortable with hearing about it, nobody that understood the highs and lows. Like even people close to me, they would see me, make money then lose money. Then, it's like, they didn't take it serious, right? I didn't really have anybody like in the trenches with me. But to see y'all coming together as a family in this group every day, like all the laughing and joking, we even got a little DJ in the group now, right? It's just the camaraderie. I cannot thank you guys enough for deciding to make Prosperity Collective your home. All right, I'm gonna get off my soapbox now and get into the video because I want to show you guys how I broke this trade down. But I just want y'all to know I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. Okay. All right, now, today, caught a few bangers, right? We had Meta, we had Hood twice, we had Palantir, Shop. So Hut, was one for a swing. So we had quite a few calls in the group, but today I'm going to show you how I broke down Palantir, caught a nice call to the upside, and was able to make $260 in just like 30 seconds, right? These are the plays that we love because what does it do? It gives us our time back. The beautiful thing about this trading thing and what I've been noticing in the group, and it's no knock to anybody who cares about material possessions, right? I love nice things, but what I've noticed about this group is that people really just want freedom. People just want to be free. They want to be able to be in charge of their day. Like, is that too much to ask for? You know what I mean? Like we live this life and we've normalized not having control of our own 24. We've normalized not having control of our own 24 hours. We all are here for a reason, and I promise it's not paying bills. I promise it's not going to work. I promise that's not the reason that we're here. I promise that's not the reason we're here. It's much greater. You watching this video, your reason for being here is much greater. Even beyond trading, right? Trading is something that we're doing because it allows us to get more efficient with how we make money so that we can go off and do things that feel real to us, that resonate with us, that allow us to be authentic, right? So having a group of people coming together with that same focus in mind is just an unbelievable energy in the group. And if you're not a part of it, I think it's something that you would absolutely enjoy, and it will absolutely take your trading to another level, right? When you think about trading, there's a few things that you want to consider. It's education, it's repetition, so putting in the work yourself, but then it's also camaraderie, right? Having a community that supports. Environment is huge. I've been in a ton of different environments that were not supportive, and you know how I performed? Like shit. I performed like shit. But when it's love flowing and it's jokes flowing and it's people that are really working and really care about you, you can't beat that. All right. So let's get into the charts. Right here with Palantir. It was a very, very simple play. Looking at this on the 15-minute, okay? What I did was I waited for Palantir to continue going down because it started the day off down. And then it found support, and then it reclaimed the VWAP, right? This is a very simple strategy. It's a VWAP recovery, okay? When something breaks below the VWAP and then recovers and closes above the VWAP on any time frame, you should have a little bit of room to make a play. So if you're looking at this on a lower time frame, a 5-minute candle or a 15-minute candle closes above the VWAP, you have room to get about 10 to 15% before that stock decides that it wants to go elsewhere. So you let the stock close above the VWAP, you take the next candle, and we scalping, baby. We're not trying to get 30, 40. We're not trying to stay longer than we need it. We just want to come in, get money, get that profit, and get out of there. Live to fight another day, and we repeat this. We call it getting base hits. Repeat it, and eventually you get a grand slam. Like the statistics of getting on base, just think about it. The statistics of getting on base in baseball is way higher than the statistics of you being able to hit a home run every time you're up at bat. Unless you're Mark McGwire or Barry Bonds or, one of those legends. So the base hits are going to come consistently. We got to pick those up because that's building our bankroll. That's building our account. And then when there's a rare play in the market, a super obvious play, we have more money to use for that. We have more money to leverage for that. All right. So right here with Palantir, like I said, came down below the VWAP. The VWAP is just like a dividing line between bearish and bullish sentiment. If it's above the VWAP is bullish, below bearish. So when it goes below and then it recovers above, then you know that it has some room to go bullish. So you enter in that next candle after that first closure. Okay. So I did that, entered, rolled it up. This candle actually became a reverse hammer candle, but when I took profits, that candle was a full green candle. So it worked out perfectly, 260 in seconds. All right. Every day I'm here with the daily trade, showing you guys exactly how I do this, right? Breaking it down. Anti-gatekeeping game. Okay. We are not holding anything back. I'm letting you know exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, right? This is what's going to help you learn. I had somebody comment on a video a little earlier saying like, oh, it takes like 3 to 5 years to learn trading. That could be true. 3 to 5 years is always going to make you much better in the thing that you're practicing. But what's really the most important thing is who you are as an individual. What's your environment like? Who's around you? What's your actual self like? Are you disciplined? Are you patient? A less disciplined and patient person could take a lot longer than a person who's been exercising that discipline, who's been working on those skills, right? So being a part of our group, the Prosperity Collective, aptly named, right? Because we prosper. And it's not just here on the charts. It's in life. It's in everything. It's health, wealth. We know it's all a holistic approach. All right. So again, Tap in every day with me. I'm going to break these stocks down for you. Whether you join the group or not, I'm always going to have something that you can benefit from here. And if you're ready to join a community that loves you, like I said, click the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.